Hello everyone, in this video we are going to continue exercise 2.1 in polynomials and factorization of class 9th mathematics. Let us start the video. The question is on the board. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. The first statement is here. A binomial has two terms. Is it true or false? It is true. According to the definition of binomial, a polynomial which contains two terms is called a binomial. Hence, the statement reflects its definition. The given statement is true. Let us come to the second statement. Every polynomial is a binomial. Is it true or false? It is false. Why it is false? Because a polynomial may be a monomial, a binomial or multinomial. So, we can't say that every polynomial is a binomial. That is the reason the given statement is false. Let us come to the third statement. A binomial may have degree 3. Is it true or false? It is true. I will give example for this one. What is a binomial? A binomial contains two terms. So, we have to write a polynomial which contains two terms. There is no limit for the degree of the polynomial. So, example for this is 2x power 3 plus 9. So, here we have two terms. So, we can call this polynomial as a binomial and the degree of this polynomial is 3. Therefore, the given statement is true. Let us come to the next statement. The statement is degree of 0 polynomial is 0. Is it true or false? It is false. Why it is false? Because what is a 0 polynomial? 0 polynomial means the quotient of each and every variable should be 0. So, we can write a 0 polynomial like this. 0 into x plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x power n so on. So, which means that we can't define the degree of the 0 polynomial. Here 0 into x is one polynomial, that is a 0 polynomial because 0 into x is equals to 0. So, here the degree of this polynomial is 1. And if you want to write another example 0 into x square, here the degree of this polynomial is 2 and this is also a 0 polynomial. And I will write one more example 0 into x power n. 0 into x power n is also equals to 0. This is also a 0 polynomial. Here the degree is n, which means that we can't define the degree of a 0 polynomial. That is the reason the given statement is false. Let us come to the fifth statement. The degree of x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true only. What is the degree of a polynomial? The highest degree of the terms. Here x square term highest power is 2 and here we have 2xy. The degree of this term is 1 plus 1 is 2 and here the degree of y square is also 2. The highest degree of these three terms is 2. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 2. Hence, the given statement is true. Last statement. Pi r square is a monomial. Is it true or false? It is true. Absolutely. It is true. What is a monomial? A polynomial which contains exactly one term is called a monomial. Here we have only one term, that is nothing but pi r square. Hence, the given statement is true. Let us solve another problem. The question is give one example each of a monomial and trinomial of degree 10. Solution. First we will write example for monomial. What is a monomial? A polynomial which contains exactly one term is called a monomial and that monomial's degree should be equals to 10. So, let us consider an example x power 10. 2 into x power 10 is a monomial and the degree of this term is 10, which means that the degree of this polynomial is 10. Let us write one more example. 3x power 8 y square. Here it is a monomial in two variables. Here x comma y are two variables. The degree of this polynomial is nothing but 8 plus 2, which is equals to 10. Again, the degree of this monomial equals to 10. This is also one of the example. Let us write example for trinomial. What is a trinomial? A polynomial which contains exactly 3 terms. Here tri means 3. Exactly 3 terms is called a trinomial. Example for this one, 10x power 3 into y power 5 plus x power 9 plus x power 10. Here the degree of this term, how much it is? It is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. The degree of this term is 9 and the degree of this term is 10. Here the highest degree is 10, which means that this is the degree of this total polynomial. Hence, the degree of this trinomial is 10. This is the required example for the trinomial having its degree 10. Here we have exactly 3 terms. Let us give one more example. 2x power 5 y power 5 plus 10x power 9 y plus y power 7. Here we have 3 terms. It is a trinomial and just we have to check whether the degree of this polynomial is equals to 10 or not. So here the degree of this term is 5 plus 5 is nothing but 10. And here the degree of this term is 9 plus 1, that is also 10. And the degree of y power 7 is 7. The highest degree is 10. In these two terms we have 10. So this is the degree of this total term. That is nothing but 10. Therefore, this is also one example for the trinomial which having its degree as 10.